An old man checked into a hotel. He opened the door, and suddenly, a young woman rushed in. She jumped onto the bed, tore her clothes, and screamed, "Give me $5,000, or I'll tell everyone you tried to force me." The old man didn't panic. He simply opened his bag and started searching. The woman grew louder, more dramatic, even picked up her phone. "I'm calling the police." Still, the old man said nothing. Then he took out a small notebook, wrote something, and handed it to her. "I am deaf and mute. I cannot hear you. Please write it down." The woman smirked, confident. She grabbed the notebook and wrote her threat clearly, smiling as if she had already won. Then, suddenly, the old man spoke. "Now, give me $10,000 or I'll report you for extortion, because this is perfect evidence." The woman froze. Her confidence vanished. She started begging, but it was too late, because experience doesn't shout, it waits. And those who have lived long enough don't just follow the rules. They were there when those rules were made.